Hey everybody, Kathy here, your Maniac. I've got my March subscription bag from Sparkle & Co. and I am so excited. They did such a great job on this bag. I've seen the spoilers on Facebook. We've got great temperature changing, sun changing, beautiful colors to get us ready for fall. I'm going to wear them all April long, I am sure. So let's open it up. Mail's the best. So if you guys remember a couple months back, we got this amazing rose gold bag. And the owner of Sparkle & Co., Christy, has kind of been feeling us out about what if we tried changing things that aren't quite a bag, because now all of us have so many bags, we don't even know what to do with them, getting one every single month. So this month, for April Fools, since our March subscription is basically April colors. So for our April Fools, she gave us a non-bag, which you're going to see why I'm excited about this. It is a matching wristlet wallet, and it goes perfectly with our rose gold bag. So super excited for this. I cannot wait to use it. I'm also planning on getting decals with my initials on it, so it's going to look super cool. And now for the good stuff. So, as always, we've got our little April Fools. We've got our sticker. Is it pink or is it blue? Is my Sparkle & Co. Manny fooling you? April Fools. Really cute theme. Again, this is the Luxe bag. The Itty Bitty subscription that they released a couple months ago is super popular. It comes with 2 dips. No bag, no liquid or anything else, just 2 dips, but it's a great, I think $12.99 a month, so a great price, so you can get those. This month our liquid is a gel top, and in a minute you're going to see why. If I can get the package open. Pardon me, I'm getting over a cold. This month we got a sample of unicorn chrome. So it's just a real fine chrome powder. You'll see, I'll put a link up here to a couple of the chrome videos I've done, one of the chrome videos. Chrome is so fun to put over top of colors, and that unicorn chrome looks so cool. Have to use it in an upcoming Manny. So, as always with the Luxe bag, you get 4 mini dip colors. 1 polish, 1 liquid, and then usually some kind of a surprise gift, which is what our chrome is this month. So the gel top was given, excuse me, because the gel top is needed to put the chrome on. So if you do dip, you'd put the gel top, cure it for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you're going to rub the chrome on top of that, and it's going to come out nice and smooth. Gel top, cure, and you're set. Beautiful, beautiful product. So super excited. Now, this month, we got some really cool, first of all, our polish this month called Don't Tempt Me. And this is just a really cool purple with like an iridescent glitter in it. And it is just fantabulous. So you can put this over top of clear dip, or you can put it between layers of gel base, polish, and gel top. We'll keep it pretty protected. Not quite as rock solid as the dip, so because I need strength for my nails because they break really easily, I would do probably 2 coats of a clear dip and then put the polish on top after my first activator, put the polish on top, and then I would go ahead and gel over top of that, so I have the strength of the clear dip underneath that polish. Same thing goes for gel polish if I do use it, because again, I need that extra strength for my nails, just me personally. So we have some awesome colors this month, and I'm going to have to go grab some water so I can show you what these babies can do. So I'll be right back. All right, so Cloudin' Around and Peekaboo are our sun changers. So those are going to go change in the sunlight inside and outside, which I'm super excited about because they look good for inside, which I work in an airplane, so it's dark, and then this one turns blue, and this one gets a really beautiful periwinkle blue in the sunlight. So I'm going to show you a picture of that in a minute. And then these two are our temperature changers. So I'm just going to put them all into the water just because of the way I'm holding them. So I'll show you what they look like. This is in, excuse me, cold water. So you can see they're just really beautiful. Kind of trying to hold them around so you can see their color. So really beautiful iridescent glitter dip. It's so gorgeous. And then if we put them into hot water, the strawberry banana split is going to turn yellow from that pink that it is when it's cold. And then the April showers bring May flowers. Look at that. Really pretty. So exciting. So if you have not subscribed to Sparkle & Co., do it now. You will not regret it. Everything down from the itty bitty, which they got these 44 and 45, to the I Want It All, which comes with gel and dip and the liquid, plus the surprise. Everything you could ever want. I'm upgrading to that next month, by the way. So you'll be seeing I Want It All bag after that. I'm so excited. If you decide to get a subscription bag to Sparkle & Co., make sure you put me as your referral in the notes section when you check out, Kathy DeSoto. That will give both you and I a credit for a full-size product. So that's $18 credit right now for a 1 ounce. So this is the mini. This will do 5 to 7 manis. A 1 ounce will do about 25 manis. We'll each get a credit for that. Additionally, if you place an order, so if you order the subscription bag, you'll get the dips or gels, whatever you have. They have different options. I'll put the list of options down in the notes section for you. If you are going to buy the subscription, make sure that you purchase a dip starter kit. I'll put a link to that in the show notes as well. For your first order from Sparkle & Co., separate from when you subscribe to the subscription bag, because you'll have to process them separately. If you do order a starter kit or any other products from Sparkle & Co., you and I can each get a $9 credit for that first order if you put me in the notes as a referral. So you actually have 2 opportunities to get referral credit with Sparkle & Co. Totally love them. I'm going to be doing a mani of these colors some way, somehow. I haven't decided yet. Today, so look for that video coming right at you. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time on the Maniac.